Hello again, this is Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida, and I have a bunch of 16-inch rounds, 12-inch rounds, 10-inch rounds, some 8x8s, and a couple of 6x6s, all on sale with a few exceptions until November 15th, 2023 for roughly half price. So the first painting that I have up here I love, and I hope doesn't sell. It's 8742. It's Abstract Expressionist, followed by 8755. Show you the shimmer. 8862. Very glossy and beautiful. 8841. Very glassy. Very cool. 8896. Totally glassy. Very shiny. 8816. Did I say that twice? No. 8896, 8816. Let me move these out of my way. Followed by, oh, we got older stuff now. We'll get back to some newer stuff in a minute. 7604. This is before Colour Arte. I am a Colour Arte affiliate, and you can find a 20% off Colour Arte coupon code below the video. If you like the glassy nature of the newer pieces, that's what's causing it. 7024, excuse me, 7042, pardon my dyslexia. Followed by 8738. This is a series of rounds. Round designs, I mean. 8760. I love this. I love the last one too. Wonderful colors. 8739. Still wonderful colors. 8857. Very, very much like the inside of a shell. Gorgeous. 9337. This is a new, relatively new piece. 8234. A bloom over, or just a bloom. 8770. I love this. I'm pretty sure that must be either Indian spice or golden maple. Golden maple's awesome. I love the designs in this. 7880. This is fabulous. This is just decadent. 9062. And I'm going to have to move some of these away. 8881. 9405. Shovel Pores, my favorites. Well, one of them anyway. 9061. This is gorgeous. 9280. Very glassy and glossy. 9279. Love the way this turned out. Love, love, love. So much great texture in there. 9091. This usually hangs in the gallery. 9059. That's the end of that series. Excuse me while I try and keep my box from falling over. There we go. That's a little better. 7272. This is wonderful. Look at the shimmer. That gold is just gorgeous. 6789A. This usually hangs in the gallery. 7577B. I think there's some pollen on that. That might have been outside and waiting for a wire for a little while. And we have 6569. Followed by 8424, which is totally gorgeous. I'm going to move some boxes. I hope they don't fall over, please. Now we're going to have to move on to, whoops. I believe these are, where'd the 12 by 12s go? I found them. Give me a second. That was 8424. I've got them the wrong way around. Just a second. We'll do 8822. Very shimmery. Let me make sure that we're in the viewfinder. Let's go down there. That's much better. I've got some other paintings I need to move out of the way. So give me a moment, and I'll get right back to you. Studio's a little crowded right about now. Oh, one more stack. All right, I think we're safe. We got 8293, which has some really interesting texture. It was a do-over. 8804, more texture. I think quite a few of these older pieces have a lot of texture. Crazing. This one had some black put in it to camouflage it, but it turned out to be an accent piece. 8767. And these are the 12 by 12s on sale for, wow, $145, except for this one is not. The rest of them are. This is 8203. I'm going to separate that from the pack. This is gorgeous. I love this. We have 8399. I love this too. 8661. Another beauty. 8159. Flower Power. Very shimmery. 8020. Start a new box. 8750. 8660. Followed by 8712, which I adore that. I think that's wonderful. All the right shimmery in all the right places. 8220. 7278. 8291. 8797. I'll share with you the ones I'm saving out at the end of this run. 8547, as long as I can find the stack. I love that. Was a great experiment. I love these colors down here. 8306 on the diagonal, geometric on the diagonal, 8870. I love that. I don't know why. It's maybe because there's so much white in it. Negative space is wonderful in that. 8817. I'm going to move some of these back out of the way again. And the last one in the ones that are on sale, 8167, which actually hangs in my office. Usually I took it down off the wall. I'm going to have to put it back on. Now I have a small stack, including that one I pulled before, just to share with you. And everything is available as reproductions, just in case you need to know that. Put that aside. This one is 8780. Let's put those over there so we have a chance to be in focus. Love that. Not on sale, but still available for full price. The dragon is also not on sale. And full price is $290. This next one is not for sale at all. This is like my favorite painting, my screensaver. And then we have a recent do-over that I just totally love. You might be able to talk me out of it. 9419. And then we're going to bring in a bunch of 8x8s. And we have a few 6x6s. No rhyme or reason to any of this. Oh, these are the 10x10s. I guess they're going to come before the 8x8s. So the 10x10s are 100. And this is 8546. A good one to start on. Really good. Very shimmery, very pretty shape. Then we have 8292, which for some reason has different coloration than most anything else, and it's outstanding because of it. 8436. Which is outstanding in its own, for its own reasons. Looks like it came from a similar time period though. 8416 has deep crazing that I put black into, and I love the effect of that. And we have 8391, same here. And these older 10x10 pieces, lots of crazing. That doesn't happen anymore. 8448. This one does not have any crazing, thank you. Good thing. But I kind of like the effect this one does. This one is 8389, but it's been filled. It's just a wonderful texture. We have 8524. I love that. This green and the pink with the gold, the shades of green, all looks like iridescence to me. Then we have 8654, followed by the last of the 10x10s, which is 8491, which is a do-over. I'd like to get those whoops, out of my way without dropping anything, please. Followed by 8500, which is an 8x8, and they are on sale until November 15th, the same as everything, 2023, for $65. A bargain. Then we have 8406. Followed by 8753. which is a video that's still upcoming. It may be a members only video though. There's a chance. A good one. Followed by 8602. To be followed by 8665. I love that. 8545, which I really don't have any inclination to sell, but if you want it, talk to me. 8245, which has some of that iridescent quality. The other one did without the green. I think it's the golden maple. The gold in there is beautiful. 8679. 8242, which I love. I love that style in general. 8475. I think that one's just dynamic. And we have 8401. That has to be a bloom. It's a beauty too. 8387. Crazing, but to great effect. Filled with gold. I'm down to the last. Oh, I'm down to the last painting is a multi-bloom that doesn't have a number on it. So you can always mention that it was the last 8 by 8 inch painting. Then I have 2 6 by 6, and I'm going to have to reduce down quite low in order for you to see those. Either that, or quick like a bunny, grab my rack and put them up there. The first one is 8945, which hangs generally in my front hall in the gallery, and I love. And my phone light is not working the way it should. Oops. I don't have any shimmer at all because it just decided to install an app. Let's turn that back on. See if you can see the shimmer in that gold is beautiful. Are we close enough? Yeah, we are. Let's see if we're in focus though. Close enough. And this is the other one. And I've got like 2 minutes, but not really. I won't need them. To tell you guys I love you, and I post at 2:15 Eastern Standard Time, 2:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time most of the time, but if you want to check my community board. It'll show you tomorrow's video most of the time. And you can find my playlists there too. I'm going to tell you, you can contact me using my email address. It's easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. I have 31 playlists with 100 videos on them each. My books are Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. The first and the second 100 videos I made tutorials for YouTube and all the tools and techniques. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. My email address, like I said, is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. I would love a thumbs up if you'd like to contact me regarding the purchase of a painting before or after November 15th. Is fine by me. Spring clothing is underneath the video. It's spring. It's not just clothing. It's all kinds of stuff. And pixels.com, Far in America, those are places you can have my designs reproduced on whatever they create. Also The Gallerist and Society 6. My community board I mentioned. Questions are welcome. My paint pouring recipes will be underneath almost every tutorial, and if they're not, just ask me. And if you like topics and genre of a kind, I have playlists with by topic and genre, and you can ask me for swipes or landscapes or what have you, and I'll give those links to you. My Amazon link is a great place to shop to help me out, and I really appreciate that. It's at no cost to you. And I want to tell you guys I love you, and I hope I didn't forget any stacks around here. I think I managed pretty well, and I hope to see you anon. Whoa. Okay. That didn't work well. Oh, clever me. All right, those are my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. I love you guys. Bye for now. Priscilla out. See you anon.